Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to clear your TikTok search history. Okay, let's get started. First, open your TikTok app and tap on profile icon and tap on three line option. Again tap on setting and privacy. Scroll down, tap on activity center, scroll down, tap on search history and tap on select option and tap on select all and tap on delete all. Okay, again tap on delete. I hope your problem easily solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.